Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aethern, and today we are starting a series called. It doesn't really have a name as of now, but basically in this series we are going to build my very own 2D game engine that is called Aether. Uh, as you can see right here, I'm thinking about making. I'm thinking about making it open source and making it able so everyone else can use it, or making it not open source and only I can use it. So obviously the first part, as you can see, it's going to be open source because I'm here showing it right now. As you can see, I also made my own game development library, which the only purpose of it is making Pygame development easier. And this is a basic introduction project that I made. It basically creates a window, handles quitting, and full screen, and yeah. So as you can see, if I run this, it's going to create this little window right here with also the icon. I can make it like this. I can also make it full screen, which I still need to work on it. And then you can also close it and use the exit. First of all, we could see that the full screen toggling is a little bit bugged, so we need to fix it. My idea is, I'll just show you really quick. Basically, you press F11. When you hold F11, it's going to send an input and it's going to call a function that is going to set full screen, which we are going to abbreviate to F as full screen. Alright? However, this function gets called well, basically every frame where F11 is hold. So what I am going to do instead is when you press F11, it's going to check for a timer, right? Timer. If the timer is um, if the timer bigger is bigger or equal than 1, then it's going to call the full screen function. Yeah, that works pretty good. So now we can get the time module. My god. Right? And then we can do something like fs full screen full full screen delay equals time per counter. Um, now now fs delay equals time per counter. If now fs delay will be equal to now fs delay if fs delay is bigger or equal to 1, then we can do this and also do full screen delay time per counter. Let's test it. I'm holding F11 and it works. I can now make, alright, We can also, let's go over here, make message called uh bam bam 1 2 3 4 5 settings 1 2 3 4 5 bam 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 bam. Um, let's just make it look better. We can do full screen delay. No, wait. Full screen time delay. We can do something like 0.5, and here we can do full screen time delay. Yeah, that's better. I'm also thinking about making this library open source and public. We'll see. Now there is a quick problem. This right here is, let's say, um it's not based on the position of the, as you can see, like as you can see, when I make this smaller, it's not going to size down with the window. And if I make this full screen, it's not going to size up with the window. So what we can do is go over to the functions code and get infos or something like that. All right. Now what we can do is infos equals functions get display infos, and this will be infos dot uh, now let's try running this, and it's working. Wow, perfectly. Now it has a problem in height. We can do like -50, and it's not good enough. -20 maybe. No, -30. It's not getting centered, that's why. Since it doesn't get centered. Like this, it does get centered, but I mean, you could just do that. Let's say like -100. Let's see how that please. Okay, and let's send this, -200. No, maybe -100. And it works. And if you want, you can do this. It works perfectly. Full screen works. Um, Now what you can do, if infos current width divided by 100, if I'm pretty sure. Infos current height divided by 100. Let's see how that is. All right. We can update the infos, so like that. Let's try doing print infos. Right, let's see what it prints. All right. All right, so it does seem to work. What we can do is, instead doing multiply, let's multiply that by 50. All right, let's one. I'm pretty sure that one, yes, like the full window. Yeah. So we can do this instead. One. And what this is going to do is basically go over to the, yeah, perfect. And if I do something like 0.5, 0.5 is gonna bring to center, the top left, etc. to the center. Alright. And if I do this, it's still going to keep being on the center. Yep. I can also do something like 0.1, 0.1. and boom, we got scaled based rectangles. This is looking pretty much perfect. Let's try doing the main menu. To do the main menu, you're going to create a function called main menu. Let's make a pass. Then we are going to do is on main menu equals to false. Main menu. Actually, we can just do this. No, never mind. Let's say another if. If is on main menu, then it's going to print. Then it's going to run the main menu. Print user is on main menu, and like as you can see, like this normally it doesn't do anything. But if you item do true, then it's going to print user is on main menu. Isn't that perfect? Yes, it is. With that said, we can do. Let's try doing a draw rect. Then we're going to do screen dot width, screen dot height, infos. All right. Screen width. Let's do it like let's say I point to as of now. Then let's also make this like gray. That's good. Then screen height 0.2. And this is basically the height and width. Now we're going the height and the horizontal and vertical position. Yeah. Now we're going to do the height and width of the actually rectangle. So we're going to do let's actually try to do something like this. Let's repeat 0.2. Alright, and it gets put into this position. Let's try in 0.4. It's almost perfectly in the center. Let's try in 0.35. I think 0.4 is actually in the perfect center. No, so maybe no, I think 0.4 is actually center perfect center for this. Yeah, we can do like that. Now let's try doing this a little bit higher. Yeah, it's very good. Then we can do screen that we can make it a little bit stall. Something like this. Yeah, this looks very good. Let's bring this down a little bit though. Alright. This will be our create def load fonts. And then we can call this I can't just do this. Let's do Arial rounded MB. So it's actually empty. Into something like 50. Actually, infos. No, never mind, never mind. Let's do something like 100, and so let's name it main menu title. Render that main menu title, right? Yeah. Then we're going to put Aethern color. Let's do a little white. And then let's just a little bit of let's return the 100. As you can see, it worked perfectly. No. Let's copy and paste this. Alright, so, huh, what if I try doing this then? Okay, so this works, okay. Let's only a black here. This and then this, let's turn it off like this. That's a little bit too much. Less. Still less. This should work. Yes, this looks pretty good. Um, but it's not actually what I wanted because this is the title, not the create project button. So we can turn this into white, screen height. Let's do something like 0.1. Let's bring this a little bit lower. Now just make bigger. Something like this. Alright. Now the problem is I'm pretty sure that it doesn't scale with the window size. Yep. The size doesn't actually scale. Okay. What I could do is like the change font. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so now that I made it, we can do a function called def update fonts. Wait, up what? Change text, my bad. And this is going to become main menu title. This is going to become Arial rounded, and this is going to become. Um, just set what? So this number. Is next number. This number. Oh, this number. Let's just let's do the next one. Let's do the next one. This is one. Let's do the few answer. Let's just do the on the phones. Oh my gosh. This should be what I want, right? And so let's do print. Then we go to corner. I think this is what I'm supposed to do. Well, this is the end of the video. At the end, we managed to get the base of the main menu right, and in the next video, we will finish this main menu. See you later!